The except operator. Another way to compare data between two results is the except operator. This will find values that appear in one table but not in the other. This is what a Venn diagram would look like. The data comes from the first table, but only results that show in the first table and not the second table. We have our customer and employee tables here. Let's say we wanted to see all customers that didn't have the same name as an employee. We can do that with the except keyword. It's almost the opposite of the intersect keyword. So we should see data from the customer table where the names are not in the employee table. So we shouldn't see records for Peter Brown or Sarah Jones. Let's run this query. We can see there are 5 results here. Debbie, Jason, John, Judy, and Steve. This reflects data that's in the customer table but not in the employee table. It's excluded those 2 rows that were in both tables, the customer and the employee table, and also the duplicate value of John Smith. So those 3 rows are excluded from the 8 rows in the customer table to give you 5 rows. You can also write this query in the opposite way. You can find all employee records that don't exist in the customer table. We get 3 rows here, which excludes those 2 records that exist in both tables.